Look who's back, yeah. Happy Elliot, you are back.
Nothing better than a morning dive.
If you still didn't get it, that I will explain. We did a morning dive, early morning dive. We were really lucky. We get into the water. I thought we will be too late, but we got into the water when the Bumphead parrotfish was just grouping up and going out. So we got a really good shot from there. So now back to Amed, back to training. See you later. Crazy weather today. It's changing really quickly. It's like 3 minutes ago there was a rain, really strong wind. Now it's the sun again. So that means it's rain season comes to the end. The weather is changing, the wind is changing. So usually during the rain season the wind is coming from the sea. So that's why we have this rains. I've been talking about that already. Sorry about that, but it's just today's that day when I'm feeling that everything is changing. So now the wind blows from the mountains, not really straight from this direction, but it comes from this direction. So that means it's not really as it is during the dry season when it flows from the mountains. That's why the mountains stopped out the clouds. At the moment it's still going parallel to the mountains. So that means it brings still the rain, but it's different. You can feel it, right? So now if you're looking at the palms, see? So then you can see that the wind starts blowing this direction. But it will change a couple of times before it will become like during the dry season. I'm waiting for the moment when the rain season will be over. We will make a fireplace on the beach and we will start grilling some fish, sitting with the friends, and maybe, you know, after the diving, drinking some beer and looking at the sunset, waiting for that moment. And this happened today. I saw this one in our region news, and it's too good to not share it. It's human power, no any technique needed. Strong wind all around here, but no waves in the sea. Many of my students know me as a really humble person. It's like a kind of joke, only those who've been doing the course with me understand. But it's like that's me. When we're talking about this one, I just think that many people who deserve a little bit more respect from the people are too shy to tell about what they can do. They are really professional, they are really knowledgeable, but they are just too shy to tell people that what they can. And I think that's really wrong. You don't have to shy about something what you are really good of. Like, if you are good in this particular area, then just why to be shy and tell about that? It's wrong. Stop this one. If you want to be visible and needed for people, then just talk about it. And you don't have to be shy. Definitely not. When you're looking at the people, you can actually tell who's really confident and who knows his own price. Alright, that's it for today. It was really nice day with a really nice beginning. Sunrise dives, as you know, is one of my favorites, and that was really successful. The visibility at the moment is still not really the perfect, but it's gonna happen really soon, because as long there is no waves in the sea, the visibility becomes really good. I'm just waiting for that moment. The water temperature also was really good. That was 28 degrees. I didn't feel cold at all. You're kind of laughing when I'm saying that it's 28 degrees. But you know, when you're living long time, then 28 feels pretty cold. All right, talking too much. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.